Hi, I'm Sam Wallace, Senior Corporate Chef with Smithfield Foods. Today, I'm happy to share with you a new and trendy concept, Buffalo Mozzarella Barbacoa Tacos, featuring products from brands you trust and already carry in-house. And as a Dining Alliance member, you get cash back and continue to earn cash back with every case purchased. We're gonna start with our McCain Golden Crisp battered cheese sticks. In addition to these being a great appetizer, they make a phenomenal component to a center of the plate item, which we're gonna be showing you today. We're gonna go ahead and put these cheese sticks in the fryer at 375 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that we have our cheese sticks all fried up, we're gonna go ahead and put on our Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce. This takes me back to when I was a line cook. We used to add butter to our regular original Frank's Red Hot under the salamander to add that buttery note. But this product itself already has those buttery flavor components in it. We're gonna go ahead and set those aside and move on to our Smithfield Smokin' Fast Beef Barbacoa. Product comes in 2.5 pound bags and is ready to be placed in a steamer, combi oven, or boil. Or if you prefer to remove it from the packaging and place it into a saute pan or saucepan, that's absolutely an option as well. We went ahead and cooked up a batch. We reserved our liquid for later application and use for a different concept. The great thing about this beef barbacoa is it's hand shredded, and the flavor profile really hits some of those ethnic notes with toasted cumin, coriander, chili powder, and other South American and Mexican spices. Now we're gonna take this beautifully seasoned beef and we're gonna start assembling our tacos. We wanna use 2 tortillas. We're gonna fill each taco with approximately 2 ounces of beef barbacoa. Next, we're gonna add 1 cheese stick, followed by fresh diced tomatoes, pickled onions. Pickled red onions are great because not only do they add another depth of color, but depth of flavor, and the acidity helps to cut through the fat of the fried cheese sticks and the beef barbacoa. Now, as a quick add-on, we're gonna do a +1. This is gonna be a Cholula sour cream crema. We start with 3 parts sour cream to 1 part Cholula. This +1 can really add some more depth of flavor, featuring, again, an item from one of our trusted brands. We're going to apply some drizzles of this Cholula crema over the top of our tacos. And lastly is a garnish of cilantro. And there we have our Buffalo Mozzarella Barbacoa Tacos.